Today we are taking a little ride through a little town called Matlacha, Florida. And this is after Hurricane Milton devastated this small little town between Pine Island and Cape Coral. Not only did Hurricane Milton come through here and do a lot of devastation, but also a tornado that was confirmed went right through the little town. This town has seen lots of devastation, along with Hurricane Ian and Hurricane Helene. But as you can see, it's just total devastation. And this is how it's all throughout Matlacha.